A lot of people were asking for help signing up to the Korean Integration Program, or KIIP, so I thought I'd make a quick video to help you guys out. So first you go to the website www.socinet.go.kr, and that brings you to this page here. This is the button you will later use to log in, but for now we need to sign up, so it's this button here. So you click that. You can change the language to English if that makes it easier for you, and read through these and click I agree. In the third part, it tells you the things you need, which is your name, alien registration number, cell phone number, and an emergency contact. It asks for someone who speaks Korean, so I've used a Korean friend here and no one has ever contacted her. You could use your friend, co-teacher, husband or wife, anyone who speaks Korean. You can add your email, your phone number, and your address. If you don't put your address, it will use the one from your alien registration. I think it will do that even if you do put an address. So you click this button here, join. And again, you can change the language of this page. This one has many languages, so use the one you feel most comfortable with. I'm going to use English. Now we need to click the bottom button, Korean Immigration and Integration Program. Many people will be registered foreigners, but if you have a different status, make sure you click that. These two here are for people applying for citizenship. Now you need to type your ID. If I use my ID that I've already made and click Confirm Duplication, another window pops up here. So this is the page that I was talking about that pops up when you click the Confirm ID. As you can see, it says that you cannot use this ID because it's already in use. So let's try another ID. We'll try ID 2. This ID is too short. It needs to be between 4 and 20 characters to be used. So we'll try one more. And this ID can be used. When I click this, it will go back to the previous page and you can continue signing up. Now that you've got your ID, you need to type a password and the same password one more time. Here you need to add your name exactly as it appears on your alien registration card. If you've used Korean websites before, you will know that sometimes it can be a bit picky about spaces. Some people have spaces in really weird places of their names. It will automatically type in capital letters. Usually your last name is first, followed by your first name, and then if you have a middle name or 2 middle names or 3 middle names. Mine has last name space, first name space, middle name. If it doesn't work, just try out a few different ones. Here you type your alien registration number, which is your 6-digit birth date, followed by the number given to you by immigration. And then click confirm your name. So you have to input the numbers correctly or it'll come up with an error message. It's a good idea to keep your numbers secret, so I'm not going to show you mine here. Then you type your cell phone number and, if you'd like, an email address, followed by clicking this box here and click join. Now I can't show you any further because I already have an account and it will come up and say this ID and registration number is already in use. if someone in Seoul needs some extra help and would like to volunteer for me to make a video of the next page, please contact me in the comments. If you need any other help, feel free to write a comment. Okay, I hope that helped, and thank you. Good luck.